Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install FreeCAD on your Mac. FreeCAD is a powerful and completely free 3D modeling software used by engineers, designers, students, and creators. So if you're on Mac OS and want to install it the right way, this tutorial is for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official FreeCAD website, freecad.org. I'll leave the link in the description to make things easier. Once the website opens, click on Download Now. This will take you to the page where you'll see download options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Under the Mac OS section, you'll find two versions, Intel version, Apple Silicon version. It's very important to download the version that matches your Mac's processor. If you're not sure which one you have, here's a quick check. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then choose About This Mac. A window will appear showing your Mac model, and right below the name you'll see one of the following. Chip, Apple M1 or M2 or M3, which means you have Apple Silicon. Processor, Intel, which means your Mac is running an Intel processor. Once you identify your chip type, download the matching version. In my case, I'm choosing the Apple Silicon version because my Mac uses an M1 chip. After selecting your version, the installer file will start downloading, and this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the FreeCAD installer file. A window will appear with the FreeCAD application. Simply drag the FreeCAD icon into the Applications folder to install it. Once the installation is done, you can close the window and eject the installer. Next, open Launchpad, or go to the Applications folder and look for FreeCAD. Double-click it to launch the app. If macOS shows a warning saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. After that, FreeCAD will launch successfully and you're ready to start designing. And that's it. You've now downloaded and installed FreeCAD on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.